to the best of special of Feel Good with Jaxson. Guess what? I'm Jaxson. So today we're going to show you guys of all of your favorite episodes. And this can start right now. Hi everyone and welcome to Feel Good with Jaxson. And guess what? I'm Jaxson. So today we're going to talk about worries are not forever. I was worrying at the first day of school, but then I got brave. Did you do the same as me? I was worried, but I made friends with everyone, so then they don't be worried anymore. It's because I knew I wasn't alone. Everyone worried. And now we're gonna read The Pigeon Has Feelings Too. Can you believe it? The pigeon can talk. Hey pigeon, why don't you show us your happy face? Never! Why should I? Do I get on your bus and tell you how to drive? Boy, you sure know how to make a bird angry. Ah! 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 So, you don't have to be friends with everyone you see. And if anyone feels left out, help them. Say, is everything okay? My friends behind me are going to teach you guys how everybody's important. Action figures assemble! I hope I make some new friends. Maybe these guys will let me be their friend. Hi guys, can I be your friend? You can't be your friend because we never ever heard of Power Rangers before. And we don't know what you're gonna do. So that's why you're not gonna be our friend. That's too bad, everyone. I don't understand why they don't want to be my friend just because I'm a Power Ranger and I'm different. I'll just go and talk to someone else. Hi, Power Ranger. I'm Black Panther. I'm sorry about the mean people that you just met. It's very nice to meet you. So where do you come from? I come from the nation Wakanda. It's in Africa. I love to throw the frisbee around with my friends and I love to play a lot of soccer. Really? I love soccer too. I was one of the best soccer players in Wakanda. I'm gonna ask some of my friends to join us too. Let's go. You don't have to be friends with everyone you see. You just have to be nice to each other and celebrate your differences. All for one and one for all. Yeah! And thank you so much for being brave to talk about stuttering. And can you please tell me what stuttering is? Because I don't know what it is.
Stuttering is when it takes a little bit longer to get words out.
When does stuttering happen for you?
I don't know, but one day I just found out because I was stuttering a lot because my dad stutters. We talk a lot, so I hear him stutter and then I just stutter. And sometimes when I worry a lot, I stutter a little bit more.
Did you notice that 10% of kids stutter? You're not alone, Taya. And the kids at home, if you stutter, you're not alone. Some kids are sad about school because they miss their friends. What is your message to the sad people?
I think they should just have play dates but wear masks.
Yeah.
They should, they can be together, they just have to stand 6 feet apart.
These are my dad, and he's going to talk about divorce with me. And what's divorce?
It's when two people that were married before that are no longer choosing to be together. So then they end up separating, they end up moving apart, and they're no longer married.
Why did you and my mom get divorced?
There's a few different reasons, and one of the reasons really is that your mom and I didn't agree on a lot of things. And because we didn't agree on a lot of things, we ended up deciding that it's better for us to be apart because we both love you very, very much. But we didn't love each other anymore and we weren't happy together. But still, you're proud parents.
You would think that my dad should shave in the camera when he was gonna come today. Chloe, can you please tell me what autism is?
Autism is something that makes you special and that you are born with and have a big, powerful brain. For example, it even makes some things harder for me, like I always need something in my hands, and also stimming, flapping or rocking back and forth. And autism also induces sensory, so when they get bothered by loud noises or bright lights and certain textures or certain textures.
Chloe, tell me more about the meltdowns, please.
Some people think when people with autism have a meltdown, they're just being a bad kid, but it's none of their control. They're having sensory overload.
What should I do next time when I meet someone with autism?
Understand the fact that they are different than you and experience things differently. The world needs different people.
I agree. We should always celebrate our differences. Hey guys, this is my dad. And that's my special guest. And this time he's shaved. And he's gonna help me talk about death. What's death?
You're asking me what death is? I actually want to know first what death is for you.
Death is when people are dying. They're old.
How do you feel about death?
That it's sad.
And why do you think death is sad?
Because I don't like people dying.
What does dying really mean?
It means that you don't get to see people anymore, but they're just watching over you and you feel them in your heart.
And I like to believe that too.
Thank you so much for watching me, our Nerve Soul Feel Good with Jaxson, and love you guys here every week because it's so much fun. And before we leave, I have a challenge for you guys at home. Ask your parents what is mental health. Now we're gonna leave. Bye. Catch me next time. Talk about our feelings on Feel Good with Jaxson. Wait, can't catch me. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. So much fun. I just couldn't hold this fart.
No farting this time.
Yeah.
Action!